Unfazed and relentless, the Attorney General remains oblivious of the lawyer's resolution to suspend him from the Uganda Law Society.
I have the Act of Parliament here that establishes the Uganda Law Society, and subsection 1 of section 4 of this Act provides that the Attorney General and the Solicitor General shall be official members of the society. It is the law. But for them to have sat and gone ahead to purport to suspend the Attorney General is tragic. These are people who should know the law.
Then this should cause him to pause and to reflect on what he has done before, on the choices he has made, and on the plans he has going forward, and take two decisions: either to resign honorably from that position since he has lost the trust of the Uganda Law Society, or to immediately reform and to try to win back the respect that the holder of that position should have necessarily.
It is now beyond your jurisdiction, your office.
Yesterday, during heated deliberations, the body that brings together legal minds in Uganda by vote agreed that in 2 weeks, the Attorney General Nyombi be given a certificate of incompetence. This, they said, would not only act as a warning tone, but a revelation to the rest of the world about his abrogation of the Constitution.
I'm a very sober man. I don't take liquor. And when I put down something on paper, I'm confident that I can defend it. I'm very confident about my opinions, because I know most of those lawyers don't take time even to read. I'm very, very confident, and I stick by my opinions. And I'm not going to be directed by anybody to do what one wishes that I do.
Nyombi claims his now infamous advice to the executive has not been contested by anyone, saying he stands to be corrected.
You know, if I felt that my legal opinion was wrong, I would write to the president that I overlooked this. Please look at ABC. But none of them has done so. They are actually behaving. Have you heard about Mukajanga? Mukajanga, the one who mattered the matters there in Namugongo.
You can sit down. I'll see your hands, Eda.
The lawyers also claim that in some instances, Nyombi was quoted basing his opinions on the president's directive, allegations which he says are baseless.
During that short period I've worked with the president, he has never, ever directed me to give him a legal opinion that will please him or that will help government. Never. He has never. And I believe, my little knowledge of the president, I believe if I attempted to do that, he would be very, very cross with me.
The lawyers accuse Peter Nyombi for misleading the president before him making decisions that have been an area of contention from the legal fraternity and the public. Some of the decisions that the president made are such as the appointment of General Aronda as the Minister of Internal Affairs before him retiring from the army, and also the reappointment of Benjamin Odoki, who retired as a Chief Justice of Uganda. The Uganda Law Society will next week serve Nyombi with a formal copy of the resolutions reached out yesterday. Sudil Biarhanga, NTV.